today we are going to make a rose water toner and also a highlighter using our fresh rose petals from Valentine's Day. So you're just going to get your petals together and you are going to need the following items. A clear container, a pestle, fresh spring water, and we are going to, and that's all you need. So we are going to tear up our petals, and you can use as many as you like. Oh, they smell so good. But you can use as many as you like. And I'm just going to use a little bit in the beginning because we are going to make our highlighter water first. So just peel those, just peel them apart really fine. It doesn't have to be super small pieces. It can be big chunks mixed in with small chunks. And I will list all the items that I used below. They are all from Amazon. So I'll link those in the description box. So we are going to add some spring water. And we don't need a whole lot right now, but just enough to grind down our petals. So I got this set from Amazon as well, and I use it all the time for cooking and things like that. But you're just going to smash down those petals, and that's going to release the natural oils and all the benefits that we're going to need for our rose water. And look, it's turning the water pink. So you're just going to smash that down until you feel like you've pressed them enough. But you are also going to want to let this sit overnight, at least for 24 hours. That way all of the oils have a chance to release into the water. So throw the lid on and just give it a gentle shake. So pretty. And you want to catch your roses before they die and dry out. You want to kind of make sure they're still somewhat fresh. But for the toner, you would just grab a cotton pad if you wanted to use it just as a toner. So for the highlighter, we are going to grab a small spray bottle. And this mica is a fine mica powder that I got on Amazon as well. They do have several shades with this brand. And you want to make sure it's the cosmetic grade mica. You don't want anything that's artificial that could damage your skin. And this little squeegee thing I also got from Amazon, and just makes it super easy to, pull the product up into the tube, because if you try to shake that in that bottle, I promise you it'll be everywhere. But it's a beautiful gold flecked, it's almost like a rose gold, beautiful gold flecked mica. I love it. And it's so much in that little container. Honestly, I've had it for a while. So you're just gonna put as much as you want or as little as you want in this bottle. And I know some of my girls like a lot of shimmer, and that's cool, especially in the summer. But like right now, you probably just want just a little bit, and I feel like that was enough. Maybe just a little bit more, maybe a little bit more. All right. So we are going to take our rose water that we just did in the first step and pour that into our spray bottle. And you can see already, see how it's fusing into the powder. It's so pretty. So you don't have to fill up your bottle. If you don't want to, you can. And then we are also going to go ahead and add some of those rose petals into the spray bottle as well. And shake that up. It literally looks like liquid gold. That is so beautiful. Rose water has a lot of benefits for the skin, and this is also good for after your makeup. So you're just gonna apply your makeup and use this as a setting spray. So the rose water tightens the skin and helps set that makeup, and then of course the mica gives it a pretty shine. So as you can see, it's not super potent. And I'm just going to kind of repeat the same process as I did in the first step, because this is going to be my toner jar. So I'm just going to add more roses and more water. That way my toner will last me a while. So definitely, if you feel like you don't want to, just throw your roses in the trash, you can make this for your daughters, your mom, your sisters, your besties, your cousins. But now you have a shimmer spray and a rose water toner. Perfect. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you guys are going to make it. I love you guys, and thank you so much for your support. I hope that you join the G-Class family, where I'll be your guide to your growth, your glow, and your goals. See ya.